Hey everyone, welcome back to HowTechs. Today we have an iPhone 17 Pro no SIM version, and I'm going to quickly introduce how you set up the SIM transfer if you're going from a SIM card to an eSIM. Personally, I haven't switched my numbers over. I've never used an eSIM on my own personal phones. All these phones I do on this channel, I always still actually, I really love having a dual SIM phone. This is my first one with 0 SIMs. Let me just show you how to do it. So there's a step in the setup, which I'll show a clip from. This step is very important because it actually can transfer, I guess, to the eSIMs from your previous device here automatically, because there are no SIM cards on here. So let's set that one up later because I still want to be able to use my device. Do you want to skip the eSIM setup? Yes, skip. To get to that same thing, if you skipped it or you got the phone after a setup, the way that you get to that same step is to go to the settings menu. And you want to go to Cellular, which is like the 4th or 5th one down, looks like that. So this is just what that section does, but you have to set up Cellular to do it. And so if I click up here, it looks through my Apple ID and sees what phone numbers I'm using on my other devices, my existing devices. In this case, it's identified 4 numbers that I'm using on my multiple dual SIM phones that are active. Only one of them has the function from the carrier to transfer to eSIM remotely, I guess. So I could click on that and it would basically, I think the problem is your SIM card itself would stop working after that, which means transferring back to an old phone might be somewhat difficult, which is why I'm not going to actually do it. But my other 3 numbers, it's not even supported here. So what do I do in that case? So then there's other options. And so this case is set up an eSIM. So you can transfer a phone number from a nearby phone or scan QR code provided by your carrier. So if your carrier supplied you with one or they have one that you can get off the website, use the QR code. You can also transfer from Android. Let's just click through that one really quickly. So your Android device and the carrier support phone number transfer to iPhone. So you have to have those 2 conditions. Otherwise, check on the website of the carrier, basically. So let's not do that because I don't have an Android phone. Okay, so let's try transfer from a nearby iPhone. So I'm going to take my other iPhone. This one actually has those first 2 SIM cards in there. And let's see if they find each other, and transfer phone number. So transfer a phone number from this phone to your other phone. Continue. I'm not actually going to agree to it. So I have to put in my verification code to prove that I'm the same person. I know what I'm doing. Continue on your other phone. So let's see. I assume it's going to ask me which one, right? Yeah. Okay. So now it's asking me which one I want to do. And so in this case, transfer still not supported. So even the bringing them together doesn't work. So in this case, I definitely have to contact my, this is like a data only one. So maybe they don't do eSIM. So, and this is my Hong Kong one, and I definitely don't want to transfer it. So I'm not even going to do it. But if you did, that's what the step would be. So anyway, that's the basics. I think you can figure it out from that point onwards. But there's also a significant chance you're going to have to talk to your carrier about transferring it. So, be ready to do that as soon as you get home and boot this thing up. The compatibility really depends on what country you're in, what kind of data plan you have. Okay, so that's it for today. See you guys next time. Good luck with this. If you have any questions, I don't know if I can answer them all, but do leave a comment and I'll try my best. Okay, thank you. Bye. Everyone, welcome back to HowTechs. Today I have a deep purple iPhone 14 Pro. And in today's video, we're going to show you how to insert and remove a physical SIM. So before we start...